Welcome to another new video, guys. Have your fun. Stay safe.
I'm already through it. You need to give way to me.
You absolute Gary Glitter poker.
Oh, okay. Hello, my son. Oh, you naughty, naughty, naughty. Oh, BMW. That was extremely naughty.
Hi there, guys. No worries, anytime.
No chance.
I would never have done it anyway. No chance.
Oh, such a lovely bike.
Thank you very much. Thank you. No, I don't run.
Two things that the
Get the helmet off. It's alright.
And the thing that brought my attention to you was the sound initially, because I heard we were on Linda's Farm Road just in the beginning of Kent Island.
Yeah.
So I then turned around to see you going past because I thought you might have been some oik. Then I saw you actually had a proper bike, so I was like, oh, that's fine.
Oh.
But then I couldn't see your number plate.
What?
Your number plate is incredibly illegal.
Alright.
Very, very illegal. Like, it's tinted, it's pointed down.
Is it pointed down?
Yeah. It's, as in, like, it's pointed away, so it's like that.
Right.
Like, not even 45-degree angle, but yeah,
Right.
still away. It's tinted, it's too small. So, unfortunately, that means it's not going to be picked up by speed cameras, and it's not going to be picked up by ANPR.
Yeah.
I'm more interested in ANPR than anything, because it's a lovely bike. You're never going to see it again.
Alright. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't change. So I do not have it. I haven't got my. I don't think I have a wallet on me, but I have got a license.
How long have you had it for? I love R1s.
2 months I've had it for.
2 months? I love R1s.
So I bought it 2 months ago like this.
Yeah, Jake. Yeah. Road close. Yeah. Oh, that's the border I kind of like. You see the flags everywhere, yeah. UK flags. Yeah. Hello, mate.
Just, I don't think it was yourself, it's your mate there. I take it you two are together.
Yeah.
Just keep 2 wheels on the road at all times.
Alright. Sorry, mate. Yeah.
We've a load of, are you from around here?
No, we're from Birmingham.
Right, okay, we've loads of problems over here with stolen bikes, people racing up and down the falls on scrambles and stuff like that.
Yeah.
You've no issues or anything like this, but just obviously, if he can keep both wheels on the road, then we won't mistake him for a stolen bike or anything like that.
Okay,
Alright?
brilliant.
Do you know where you're all going and everything? You happy enough?
Yeah. He just showed me around. He's from here, basically.
Oh, he's from here?
Yeah, he just showed me around. I love it, man, to be honest. Brilliant.
There's some nice places to see, like there's some good sites.
Yeah. We've been north. It's brilliant.
Right.
Yeah.
Up there for it as well.
Yeah, brilliant, mate. Honestly.
Alright, well, can you speak to him through that?
Yeah.
Alright, just tell him.
I'll let him know. Brilliant. Thank you very much. See ya.
You're not going to get a body down through there. That's great. Where's the car behind me supposed to go? Can do nothing.
Lane closed.
Lane closed, you arsehole. What do you think that means?